your food. For the last month, up until 3 or 4 days ago, Remi was very hesitant to eat. The only way she would eat was if I put water in her food, and then she'd let it sit for about 10 minutes before she'd eat it. So I finally came to the conclusion that maybe when she was trying to catch some sky raisins, she found one sky jalapeno pepper, and it bit her or stung her on the inside of the mouth. Other than that, I don't know why. She would have totally lost her appetite. Even with the sauce, she still would only eat about half of it. Of course, Ruger was right there to pick up any slack. So, like I said, a couple days ago, she started able to eat her whole dinner, but she still likes it with water in it, so I have to put a little water in her food, and of course, got to put in a little lid in for Ruger too. But, getting ready to have a sunset here. You can see it's just past being in line with the side of the cabin. Today's only the 7th or 8th, I don't know for sure. Beautiful day today. Only got up to about 105 without a cloud in the sky. The solar was able to produce more than enough energy for me to run the air conditioner. But then when the puppy's stomachs start calling, I gotta come out. And I got something. Now some people won't really like this, but deal. I've had quite a few of these little turds around the area. I'll give you an idea how big it is. It's not a big one. Anybody have any idea what would cause that? Because they are all over. Originally I thought they were snake droppings, but there's just way too many of them to be. That would mean we're in a snake den if they're all from snakes. So, anybody have any idea what that is? I'd appreciate it if you leave that down in the comments. Nice black beetle. Whatever the hell it is. Ruger knows enough to stay away from it. And taking them for their after dinner walk. Do this twice a day, after I feed them breakfast and after I feed them dinner. You're a good puppy. You're such a good puppy. Come on. Go play with Ruger. Now she's off chasing something. And he's going this way after something. Oh. Remi had to go potty or poopy, one of the two. I did want to show you. I don't know if any of you remember when I did my chaining cactus video back in March of 2019. That's the cactus that I chained over here. That's the whole big thing I brought over in March of 2019. Now, if it was dead, guaranteed those green pads wouldn't still be there. And you see all the pears on there. Well, this had a lot more on them just a couple days ago. So I can't even kill prickly pear, even when I pull them up by the roots and drag them over 100 yards and just drop them. It's almost impossible to kill those things. So, and that's where the sunset is. in that little saddle up there. Nice little breeze tonight. It's supposed to be getting windy tomorrow, so I couldn't wait until tomorrow to come out and do any filming. Because you'd never be able to hear me. I don't know what it's going to sound like on here. I know this thing picks up every little bit of wind noise it can. Remi, way over there. Alright, you don't want to go for a walk? You don't want to go for a walk? Come on, let's go. I've always felt a little uncomfortable walking this far past these posts. For the first over a year and a half, this is all the farther we'd walk. It wasn't until Remi showed up that we started walking out farther. A lot of things I can teach Remi, but one of them is not where the boundaries of her yard are. She just likes to go off and explore. Sometimes drags Ruger with her. She's happy just running around. They found something. Wanna go home? Well, let's go home. Right, there they go. Supposed to be getting cold the next couple days. Highs of about 92, which is all fine and dandy. Then the lows are going to be getting down to 65. And I don't have my heater hooked up yet. So, I may have to break out my Mr. Buddy heater, or Mr. Heater Buddy, whatever it's called. That'll be close to the coldest, well, it'll be the coldest morning I've had since I got everything put in there, the insulation and everything else. Had some cold mornings when I first got the cabin before I had done anything to it. So I'll give you some sort of a taste of what it's going to be like this winter. A little bit of a taste. 65 is nowhere near 17 degrees. So where's Ruger? Where's Ruger? Or did he take a shortcut again? Yep, took a shortcut. He knows where I'm going, so he says, I don't want to walk that far. Are you good, Remi? Are you good, Ruger? Well, I've been up for a little while already. It's already 7:20, so the sun's been up for about an hour. And it's showing 58, 59 degrees now. So, and of course the puppies are at it. Jeez. So, fortunately, I got my heater all hooked up a couple days ago. That black thing down there is a propane line. It's the same one I had in the RV, so I just pulled it over to here. But it works. Works beautiful. I'm sure you can see that it's on. But it works beautiful. That thing is great. And then when I want to disperse the heat, I just turn on this little USB fan, kicks the heat right over to where I sit real quick. Well, I said it's 7:20 in the morning. Oh yeah, it's already getting warm over here. So, that's going to work good this winter. I'm glad I got that set up, like I said, because it was cold this morning. It was good sleeping last night, though. And behind that tarp is my 100-pound propane tank. And then behind that is my backup if I need to get that one filled up. But I had to do it. The propane company wanted me to put it at least 15 to 20 feet away. Well, I don't have that much line. And I've been wanting to get a line run out here, but getting somebody to come out and actually do it is proving to be rather difficult. So like I said, I knew it was going to be cold last night, and I couldn't wait any longer, so I had to bring it over and hook it up. Put that tarp on there to keep the sun off the tank. The sales guy at the propane company didn't really recommend that. He said that's not necessary. But the the delivery guy was the one who recommended that. He said if you let the sun get on it, it overpressures the tank. So, it's like, I would rather trust a delivery guy who actually comes out here and deals with these things than the guy sitting in his office all day selling these things. So, it says it's going to be a beautiful day today. It's supposed to get up to about 90 degrees today. About like it did yesterday. Well, here comes the running. I think I'm all ready for winter now. Not that I want it to be.